Hey guys, good afternoon. I'm going to show you guys how to operate an old power shift case dozer. It seems to happen with us quite often that we got a lot of good operators, but you know, they're a little younger and they've actually never seen anything like this before. Now, I'm not an old guy by any means, even though some people might think I'm pretty old. I'm 34, but I grew up on these old dinosaurs. And well, here's a little overview on how to run one. All right, so these old power shift transmissions, I guess the best way to think about it is everything on the left side operates the left track. That's your steering brake for the left side, forward, neutral, reverse for the left side, high, neutral, low for the left side, and then high, neutral, low for the right side, forward, neutral, reverse. And then this would be kind of like a, I guess like a 1, 2, 3, 4 gear. That would be for both sides. Like let's say you're tracking it from one side of the job site to the other, and you know you want to see how fast this thing will go. Give it all the beans. That would be forward, high, your fastest travel speed. I guess that would be your 4th gear, right? This would be your 3rd gear in theory, you know, if you were starting from lowest to highest. You know, as far as grading with this machine, it's got a 6-way blade, and 6-way blade works pretty typical. The only thing is it's old school, so you know, instead of having it all in one control where you can go up, down, tilt, do everything from one control, right? You have to angle your blade here, and then, you know, be up, down, and then, you know, tilt it to the left, tilt it to the right, you know, that sort of thing. Sorry, I was missing the handle there because I'm looking at this through the camera screen, and I don't really have too good a depth perception on the camera. But yeah, basically that's what we're doing. You see our Cabelco over there, digging for drainage. Got our link bed over there, digging for sewer. So yeah, that was basically it. And this is a view from the driver's seat of this luxurious air-conditioned cab. Alright guys, well, thank you guys for watching, and I hope somebody finds this video useful.